Oh, I feel like I'm in an absolute jungle. Okay, let me move this camera back a bit. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony and in today's video, I'm just gonna talk to you because a lot is going on behind the scenes, a lot is happening, and I've had quite a stressful few weeks. So, I just wanna jump on, give you a quick update and let you know that this week, next week, and probably the week after, I won't be uploading any videos because I'm currently in the process of applying for a really exciting job. I've already had a first interview for this role, so that's really exciting. Got through that stage, and now I'm on the second stage where I'm doing a project. The third stage is actually to go meet with them and have a face-to-face interview, and I have to present the project. So over the next few weeks, I am gonna take a little step back from YouTube until I finish this project and I can make sure that the project is amazing. What I wanna do is make sure that I'm giving good value to my subscribers, because at the end of the day, if I'm not giving you good value, what's the point of me making these videos? And because I'm concentrating so hard on this project and getting it all done and making sure that everything is great, I just don't feel like I can invest as much time in my YouTube videos to make sure I'm giving you the quality content that you need. I'm gonna take a step back from YouTube until this project is finished so I can make sure that my concentration is fully on the project, and then I can fully concentrate on giving you good quality videos when I come back. I've got some quite fun and interesting videos planned that's in my content calendar, but it's just getting to it at the moment, and I really don't feel like I can deliver the kind of quality that I want to deliver while focusing on this project. So really, I'm going to take a little break from YouTube, 2 weeks, and then I'll be back with my usual schedule of Monday and Thursday. But for now, please send out positive vibes. I really want this job. It sounds like a dream job for me. I'm really excited by it. So hopefully I get it. Just keep your fingers and toes crossed. Hopefully I get it and I can come back with some really good news in the next few weeks. But yeah, the next few weeks is gonna be a bit sparse in terms of videos, but please stick with me and send out positive vibes for this job. Alright, hey guys, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to give you a bit of a brief update and let you know what's going on and why I won't be uploading for the next couple of weeks. But yeah, send me positive vibes and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Bye.